Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Microsoft Flight Simulator on a laptop. First, let's talk about your laptop specifications. For a truly immersive experience, a dedicated graphics card is crucial. Aim for at least 16 gigabytes of RAM and a modern processor. These components are fundamental for handling the game's demanding visuals and complex physics, ensuring your virtual flights are smooth and enjoyable. A solid-state drive is also highly recommended for faster loading times. Once your system meets the requirements, optimizing in-game settings is key. Start by adjusting the graphics options to find a balance between visual fidelity and a consistent frame rate. Reducing the rendering resolution can provide a significant boost, especially on laptops with integrated graphics. Also, remember to close any background applications that might be consuming valuable system resources, allowing your laptop to dedicate more power to the simulator. While you can play with a keyboard and mouse, dedicated peripherals elevate the experience. A quality joystick or flight stick offers far more precise control over your aircraft. An external mouse and keyboard also provide better ergonomics and accuracy compared to a laptop's built-in options. For ultimate immersion, consider a head tracking device. It allows you to look around the cockpit naturally, making your virtual flights incredibly realistic. To ensure a consistently smooth experience, always keep your laptop's graphics drivers updated. This ensures optimal compatibility and performance with the latest game versions. Long flight sessions can generate heat, so a cooling pad is highly recommended to prevent thermal throttling. Finally, don't rush into complex aircraft. Begin with simpler planes and complete the in-game tutorials to gradually master the controls and navigation. Happy flying!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.